Good morning, everybody. This morning I'm going to show you the cold brew coffee maker, the carafe, and I'm also going to show you guys how to make whipped coffee. So if you guys are watching, please comment below if you're watching live or on the replay. So Tupperware has a cold brew carafe. How awesome is that, right? Super simple, super easy. It's plastic from top to bottom. There's a lid that also works as a like strainer when you take your coffee grounds out. So here's the filter part, and you can see there's two lines on here. There's one line about here, and then there's another line up here. And so if you're making coffee, and if you're the kind of person that likes to make coffee with milk or cream or sweetener or whatever, it's better to make it a little bit more concentrated because then you get that more coffee flavor. So if you're making a regular strength coffee, you would fill your coffee up to this first line inside, or if you're making a concentrated batch, you fill it up to the top line. How I like to do it, I usually fill it about 3/4 full, and I'll make my batch, and then I'll fill it up all the way to the top with grounds, and then I'll make another batch. So you kind of get 2 for 1 out of your coffee grounds. So let's do a quick little demo. So you just put your filter inside, and then use your favorite coffee grounds. They do recommend a coarse ground coffee. I just use regular store-bought coffee. And let's see if I can do this without making a mess. You just pour your coffee grounds inside. I don't think you can see them about right there. So that's about a 1/2 cup of coffee grounds. I'll just make more of a regular batch. Okay, so I'm just a little bit above the regular line. Okay, and then all you do after that is add your water. So you just add your water. You guys can see it. You can see it's already starting to change colors. And I usually fill it all the way up to the top. This water bottle doesn't quite hold enough water, but you guys get the idea. So fill it all the way up to the top, and then I make this the night before. So I put it in the fridge. You can leave it on the countertop. If you're camping, it works great because you have coffee ready in the morning. After my coffee is brewed, I like to pour it off into another container. This is a Tupperware 1-liter water bottle. But I'll show you guys quick how I like to make my coffee. Cold coffee. This is cold. You can put this in a cup and throw it in the microwave and warm it up, and you have hot coffee if you're a hot coffee drinker. So here I have the tumblers. These are the tumblers that are currently in the flyer. They are 14-ounce tumblers. Plastic, clear, they're very pretty. And then I have ice in mine. I like to make my coffee a little bit sweeter, so I do use the Torani salted caramel syrup. It's just my favorite, but I do put mine in the tilt and serve containers because I think they're prettier on my counter than in this bottle. Okay, so I'm just going to drizzle some syrup over my ice. And this is really however much you like. And then I'm going to pour my coffee in. And then I like to put a little bit of cream, or half and half, on the top. And my favorite part is you can see it marble all the way down. Doesn't that look delicious? So good. Perfect for a hot day. Okay, now the other thing everybody wanted to see was the whipped coffee. I'm doing the whipped coffee. This is the Power Chef base with the whipped attachment. And this is super easy to make. It's 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, any kind you like, 2 tablespoons of table sugar, and 2 tablespoons of hot water. You put all that in here, and then you just simply turn it and whip it. And it kind of starts changing colors. But you can see that it is not so liquid anymore. It's pretty whipped. And of course I forgot to grab a spatula. Sorry about that. So in my other tumbler, I have just regular milk. You can use milk, you can use cream, you can use really whatever you prefer. But I just have it filled about 3/4 of the way full with just milk and ice. And then you just pour your whipped coffee right on the top. Just like that. Look how pretty that is. And then, let's see if this will fit down in there. And then a lot of people just kind of mix it up. And it mixes in with the milk, and then you have just another type of a cold coffee. That simple. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.